Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago talking energy. Crude oil's the story today, as it often is, up 2% on the WTI contract. WTI closes the month of October with another strong day and the second positive month in the last three. The quarter has started out down and then finished with two positive months subsequently. The quarter, however, finished virtually unchanged, just a little bit lower than the end of the second quarter. But again, the strength has been very recent based on a couple of things. Number one, the Brent crude oil breakout. Brent definitely broke out, getting up as high as 83.73 today, finishing closer to 83.50. Those are 3 to 3.5 year highs now on Brent, and they pull WTI higher, as the two have one of the highest correlations between two contracts, especially when they're traded at different exchanges. Obviously, the WTI contract is traded here. It's the better contract, in my opinion, and it is higher as well, 2%, as I mentioned, coming off a little bit, not getting quite close to its highs, but definitely strong. Now, we've got some conflicting reports on what's going on in the background of these things, and both of these are reports, but we're hearing from sources familiar that China has actually slowed their import of Iranian crude oil, which is in part the extra push that we got from the jump today. That push coming from the idea that the Iranian sanctions will actually work and take a good deal of this Iranian crude oil off the market. And there's been no concrete talk of releases of strategic petroleum reserve barrels here in the U.S. or of extra production officially out of OPEC. Now, a lot was made last week on Sunday night when OPEC did not comment on increasing production. However, sources are saying in reports that are unconfirmed, according to sources close to the matter, that OPEC is actually going to pump more. The word that's been rumored about is the number rather, is 500,000 extra barrels a day, which actually would put a dent in price, clearly not affecting the price today. The two contradictory stories, a little bit more credibility going to the China story. That also, by the way, gives a possible positive backdrop to future trade talks between the U.S. and China. This is Bob Iaccino talking about crude oil futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.